How to deposit a check online TD Bank. Open the TD app on your mobile device and log in securely. Select the deposit check button on the home screen. If not registered, select register and accept the terms. After successful registration, select deposit check again. Choose the account from the to account drop down menu. Enter the check amount in the designated field. Select front to capture an image of your check front. Position the check correctly and let the app auto capture it. Write your signature for deposit only and account number on the back. Select back to capture an image of the check's back. Review the deposit information and select finish deposit. Hope you understood the topic. That's a very easy topic. Thanks for watching the video.